Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So there are two different ways how you can do that. The first way, you need to open your phone application, here it is, and then at the bottom of your screen you need to click on the keypad option, and then you will see this interface. After that you need to enter this code, and then click on the green button. After that you will see this message, and then you need to click on the white button dismiss. So after that all call forwardings includes voicemail will be automatically deactivated. So the other way how you can do that is to go to your iPhone settings, then at the top of your screen you need to click on the search bar and then type phone here, and then click on the first one option. After that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find call forwarding option, here it is, and then in this interface you need to make sure this option is disabled. And that's all, and that's how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.